I missed my first shot, nicked the second. What we're about to do is hand over responsibility for the shooting in this story to Sergeant Dan Powell, whose gun this is. Hopefully he'll make the shots much better than we could.
Sergeant Deadshot Dan nails the target on his first shot. The burning C4 bounces, but a big boom there ain't.
Well, there you have it. A normal bullet did not cause burning C4 to explode.
The next bullet we'll be firing with is this, a tracer round. It's got a bit of phosphorus in its base that allows the shooter to see the path.
I went on vacation, and I bet you these kids been trying to make whoever did my route honk. They always want the horn. Look at them out there. Motherfucker. I don't have it.
You're gonna untangle this guy's noodle and that's it. No more hypnotizing anyone.
You have my word, Chief Kangaroo.
All these kids out of my heart. Get a corner and get over here.
With the virus, if you attempt to exit the lab without going through decontamination, you're going to set off the fail-safe.
What should I carry?
Damn it, Murphy, lift it!
Including myself!
Murphy, a tactical nuclear weapon will be launched from NORAD.
Oh, shit. Here he is. He's so happy. Their horn. It's free and it makes it happy. I'll give it to him. He'd be hiding too in different spots. Here around the corner. He's riding his bike. Here he is. That I gave him the little horn. He was so sad. Then I give him the big horn. Probably didn't catch it on the dash cam. He threw his arms out. Dang.
Someone is gonna get a sink bath tonight.
When I was young, I would worry. I would worry so much when I went out with a guy. Like, I would be like, is he gonna kill me? And now I would prefer it. Like, I'm done. I'm done. No, I'm done. Thank you. I'm all set. I've seen enough. I'm done.
Wanted the air horn next to me. He said, I told her that. I told her that. The kid wanted the air horn. The Amish kid. Woo! They all out of the air horn on the bus. I'm driving, kind of looking around, and I see these kids roll down their back windows of their van, and they're waving. I didn't know if they wanted the air horn or not, but I gave it to them. Oh man. Shout out to him again. Here he is.
Ah, yes.